Here's a right royal side dish that ain't fussy. It'll accompany almost anything from the barbecue. Welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Fame. Let me tell you a little bit about where this delicious dish comes from. Just 14 miles off the French coast and some 85 miles from the UK mainland lies the beautiful island of Jersey. The largest of the British Channel Isles, Jersey is just 5 miles long by 9 miles wide. The island is known for its rich dairy products, agriculture and beautiful beaches. In the capital, St Helier, we find the Market Hall, where your eyes are greeted by a blaze of colour from the beautiful blooms, fresh fruit and vegetables. Here you'll find these little beauties, Jersey Royals, tiny potatoes with a big reputation and a unique, sweet, nutty flavour. Fire up the Weber Q, both burners full on. Press the button and away we go. Lid closed for it to warm up. With the potatoes washed, I'm cutting 750 grams of these little beauties in half lengthways. These are the only fresh vegetable in the UK to have protected designation of origin status. Their season is quite short, so make use of them while you can. With all of them halved, add a glug of oil and season well with salt and pepper. Or was it pepper and salt? I wasn't looking. Give the bowl a good swirl around to ensure everything is fully coated. I'm using my Weber veg basket to cook these little potatoes. It really is a great bit of kit. I'll give them about 10 minutes before I turn them. Meanwhile, I'm snipping some parsley from my herb garden and chopping it with my mezzaluna. I'll be using it later. I'll just give the spuds a turn. They're cooking nicely. Just a few minutes more and they should be done. Now I'm grating 1 clove of garlic. You can use more if you like things garlicky. Well, they are done. Don't they just look good? You could eat them like this, as they are absolutely delicious. Off the grill. Now for the special treatment, making them the SuperStar of Sides. There's one for the cook. That's all of them into a bowl. Add the grated garlic and give them a swirl. Now I'm being a bit chefy. Tip the potatoes onto the cutting board. Season with a bit more salt. And crush them with a potato masher. This does nothing for the flavour, but makes a trendy presentation. Apparently. Now transfer to oven-proof serving dishes. I'm making 2 portions here and must get every little bit. Generously grate over with Parmigiano Reggiano. I'm trying to fit the warming rack. The grill's a bit hot. As this vid is a side dish, I've got to cook something for it to go with. So it's a couple of pieces of salmon with a knob of butter. I've set the grill for indirect cooking with a heat shield and grid. Turn off the small burner. Place the potatoes on the warming rack. The cheese will melt a little while the salmon is cooking. I'm using one of these Lakeland non-stick barbecue dishes to cook the salmon, and with the grill at around 200 degrees C, it will take about 20 minutes. And that's a very quick 20 minutes. That's the potatoes off the grill. A sprinkling of chopped parsley adds a finishing touch. And there it is, a lovely piece of salmon with cheesy Jersey Royals on the side. Delish. If there's anything you'd like to say about my videos or cooking, then all you have to do is click that button and then activate and ding the bell and say what you've got to say in the comments box below. Now, here's the recipe recap. What I like about this dish is that it finishes off cooking at the same time as whatever it's going to accompany cooks. Be it burgers, a juicy steak, fish, or almost anything from the barbecue.
It's a tasty little spud. What a star!
If this video has been done to your liking, then give us a thumbs up. Well, that's all for this time. Join me next time on the Barbecue Walk of Flame and see what's cooking on my Weber Q. So from me, the dude with the food, the old geezer at the grill, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.